Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. I am Xavier Basumatari. BJP sweeps North Cachar Hills Autonomous Council elections. Congress draws a blank. The Bharatiya Janata Party has emerged victorious in the North Cachar Hills Autonomous Council elections, winning 19 out of the 28 seats and reducing the Congress to 0. The elections were held on January 8, 2024 and the results were declared today, 2024 that is. This is a remarkable achievement for the ruling party as it reflects its popularity and dominance in the hill district of Dima Hasao, formerly known as North Cachar Hills. The BJP had formed an alliance with the Indigenous People's Forum, a local party, and contested 26 seats, leaving 2 seats for the IPF. The IPF has also won both the seats it contested, giving the BJP-led alliance a comfortable majority in the council. The BJP has also expressed its gratitude to the people of Assam and Prime Minister Narendra Modi for their support and trust. The party's state president Ranjit Kumar Das said that the people of Dima Hasao have given a clear mandate for development and peace. He also thanked the IPF for its cooperation and said that the alliance will work together for the welfare of the people. The Congress, on the other hand, has accepted its responsibility for the poor performance and vowed to work harder for the people. The party had contested all the 28 seats but failed to win even a single seat. The party's state president Ripun Bora said that the party respects the verdict of the people and will introspect on the reasons for its defeat. He also said that the party will continue to raise the issues of the people and act as a constructive opposition in the council. The NCHAC elections are seen as a crucial test for the BJP ahead of the assembly elections in Assam, which are due in April 2024. The BJP is aiming to retain power in the state, while the Congress is trying to regain its lost ground. The North Cachar Hills Autonomous Council elections have also shown the importance of regional and local parties in the state's politics, as they can influence the outcome of the polls by aligning with the national parties. That's all for today's news. Keep watching Eastern Paradigm.